having red hair, okay? I understand it. Really upset. But the thing is, like, I understand having red hair. I'm not supposed to do certain things. I can't wear fucking green, because when you see that, I'm a leprechaun. It's St. Patrick's Day all the time. Take a shot. Woo! I don't fucking do it. I'm not even allowed to hang. We're not even allowed. Red hair people aren't even allowed to hang out with each other. We're not allowed to do it. You ever see 5 red hair people hanging out, just walking down the street, having a good time? No. Because we know that if any more than 4 of us get together at one time, we all burst into flames and go back to Narnia. Just what happens. Fucking grow hooves and start playing the flute. Those are the depictions we have in movies. Every time a red-haired person's in a movie, you're either like an ugly little troll, wearing a cloak, carrying a lantern, like this way, through the enchanted forest. Or geeky little nerds just typing away like, I've never seen a tit. Never had. Good representation at all, man. And I've realized over the last couple years of my life, I am not accepted among white people. And I know that's strange, because I'm one of the whitest white people you've ever seen in your life. I get burned by these fucking lights the entire time I'm on this stage. The white people do not let me in the door. Because I'm hanging out with white people, and every single time somebody will look at me and go, yo, man, you know you're a ginger cunt, right? Why the fuck does that happen?